when making the quick mix barbecue sauce, this is a couple tips. I put all the dry ingredients in. These are the wet ingredients. Follow the recipe, measure the ingredients, and use the suggested tomato powder that's in this recipe. And with your balloon whisk, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, it's too watery. Oh no, I measured wrong, or Julie really messed this recipe up. Absolutely not. I make this sauce all the time. Now I've heard of some, like, I don't know what it is, like imposter tomato powder made of peels not working, but the one I have linked on the recipe is fantastic. And see how it's coming together? Keep whisking. It's a beautiful quick mix barbecue sauce. It hits all the spots. It can be super spicy. There are options on the recipe, and this is my go-to barbecue sauce when I'm making barbecue corn ribs. It's my go-to barbecue sauce when I'm making the barbecue ranch salad that we've been talking about the past few weeks in Protective Diet Education. Whisk, 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 so that you're dissolving everything together. And this is a really nice arm workout, right, Jerry?
It sure looks like it.
Okay. I should put Jerry in charge of this. I already had my arm workout today. So then clean as you go. And transfer this into a jar. You know, we've got quite the jar culture going on in Protective Diet Education in our community. We love our jars for storage. So do that, because this is going to be more than you need for this recipe and for many recipes. So then you can use this barbecue sauce all week long.